Karibu na inde tukomanye ali atoike finally in the fight between Riziki Farikei and Ndizi Toto. Finally Farikei ameweza kurespond. Finally Farikei uiraniri ndete mwire chinga kichinyingi sana chinga kichinsinini munya gutegerera story munya gutegerera muigwe ase amang'ana arochie tumirane ase comment section tunyare kumanyania nki kigenderete. This is the last time na nyaje ko baking ko baletere story bune because we have been waiting Farikei a respond tegerera. So at the end of the day Riziki amesema kwamba condition yako nayo iwezi mruhusu afanye chenye basi ako accused kufanya.
Have a condition, have a deadly condition that I'm managing. Kila
siku kila saa yeye utembea na madawa anatembea nayo ili hakunywe ndio aweze kusukuma maisha.
Roli ya neme each day nchego nkunywa mariogo bwata mariogo nkunywa just to keep me going. I don't know ngai engineer alimire. I don't know when the engine will switch off. I'm on the medication I'm taking each day.
Na kwa hivyo the 40k yenye inatangazwa is enough to buy him drugs.
The 40,000 ngwete chiko na gutrend sika ejine chibasa chiko ngorera mariogo mitinyi 5 nkuna kunywa. I don't have time.
Ameweza kusema pia familia yake ni familia ya kiwango cha chini kabisa, na hivyo
I come from a family elefanable family ya rengo butaka where the real definition yo butaka ero. Maybe God has given me a chance. Yokoba, when I'm living, I leave them in a better place. When I'm living, I leave my family in a better place when they are comfortable.
Nto akoreta mapenzi.
Mapenzi chira undire ngamu akoreta mapenzi.
Bona nale ko clarify nga ntenyaruke ntora igana nere. Nana ko igana ruke.
Tigaye clarify. You know compliment. I Riziki kira.
What I can see from the look of things, chiseginchiro chinyinge sana.
Gose anyerende onyo muntu bwato bwanchani onanga agachire openly Riziki oyoito atebe ngaki takubeka takonda mera enduwe yane omotegi takumonda merege kogereta ya 70 lakini wangire pi nabakire tekiri abantu bakana gonchoria bagombeka.
Yes, nkorengia nore mwanyanyorira sokuja chutia mono. That is the best I've done because abange umwa requested probably inko manyiwa na Farikei obeire aga correspond imbamanye na inde na bamanyire asesegengima yomusunte esegi involve abateria bagotera matera y'enchiri amatera yo kumubaka Nyasaye amatera yo gukoremia amatera yo gukoira igoro amatera yo kumanyinga esafari tore iyo kwenda utata gutumuka nero na inde tumirane imampia erengia lakini shetani obeire gakutumia abantu aba asenjira irembe so finally esegnere ya chagete mwaroche na online ya ketomorero ase Farikei ose ase Riziki na the main characters ase CJU abainge Bernard Riziki na Toto Ndizi. I have forgotten Marion. Yes asirieta Marion wako accused kuna this lady amenibia simu, this lady amenifanyia hiki, na the lady au accuse omoteli uliochire nguma Bernard Riziki ya kwamba alimtumia iga muire teborere akabakaigwana legally yani koba yani agakwana iko reveal ebintu bya gukorekana somo sunde. We are not very sure about the accusation. I don't want to take side because I was not there, you were not there. The only people when you wanajua the whole story is the two, but muna mwanya tegereire muruche kena asikire iga bange bararire the other lady, the lady who is Toto Ndizi bako mwakiusinga. There is a probability, there is a high probability amangana ukwana tabu atiburo so amangana ukwana pengine na yobokora bange bateteire Riziki bakotenga ako ngacho justice for Riziki ayu mpadi ya percentage nyingi na ile statistic chiane ngake sabu ngamanga nganyoranga those who are with Riziki wako wengi, those who are with the other guys anaitwa nani Toto na bake percentage nenge na ande area talia Riziki area talia Farikei ya be dragged into this drama. Abantu abange bagosebanga there is a high probability that Riziki ngorwani wakare the forces, external forces, one of them twanyolire Farikei obere dragged abantu abange bakotanga Farikei alitumia the lady como let down, yani como putora magoro umwana okorokunga Bernard Riziki. Whether that is true or not, it is up to you to judge. Na baletele story una ya chagete kocha na ndebo ono buna nanyikire elio mwaelio. The charges are you munimatenga mubwate chisemi na ndi mubwato bungaini bukulingoria mangana bunare igona bumu kunyetegerera kanye turanyola chinga kicho kotegerera part 1 part 2 part 3 part 4 part 5 and this is part 6 genda maikabu onyole chi story yubune chagete from part 1 up to this part 6 onyetegerera buya onyelingoli na bokoranga story nga yeruche. Me sometimes I said okay, this is I'm not taking sides. When I'm giving my views, it is not taking sides. It is according to the statistics zenye nimefanya, venye nimepima, venye buna na rogotire amaoni ya bange. It is true. I said that there is a probability that these people wanatafuta kiki. Although it is also not. Umeto tomenyete ase what of possibilities. Nowadays, abantu ngokora bale anything so that they trend. Sometimes mbaliko maanga bao kole kikiek. Sometimes they backfire. Abantu na tetanga kanyene kick. Especially abantu abagote amatera yenjiri. Ntomayete the book of which book? Book of Romans, chapter 3, verse 10. Ego tenga onde tayo. There is nobody who is righteous. Onde tayo o kiroche gabon yanke bekiko onde tayo ore omonya kene 20p ntu bota madoa lakini we try to be perfect. Naona ba pastor bali okora ba okurandere nagiye kora ba kotanga do what I say but don't do what I do. Sometimes wacha niwaambie, if it is kiki, especially to gospel singers, especially bona abantu na Farikei, abantu na Bernard Riziki, amatera ino yoko mubako monene na amatera gotoa chinguru, amatera gotoa chisemi, amatera gotoa obore munga emambie ya muntu ikonya sae utata aseme chando yonsi pi yenseye toranye tige ororo tora tumoke ase enka iria enya, lakini ekero bona toko nyanga you are the exact guys moko ba dragged into these theatrics even to be involved for kaya you we yani omogo toletinse kabisa and I'm just advising aba kusiwa minto osonde wensi on tegrerete. After doing my research, after doing over tukibwane, nobody's perfect. Even those who sing perfectly, nobody's perfect. We are all human beings. I'm not castigating anybody, but I'm just advising people. Sometimes do not really think about the messenger. Think about the message. Even as we listen to the songs, ntotegerera moteto otero kungakia abantu bagoteba because pengine abantu mbale sensei bataitugucaririo abanda marieta. So sometimes you may judge somebody na ndonyoenga that person is very innocent nerieta agocaririo. So listen to the message. Amatera nama yabangwana bagotera, amatera yokumu bakomonene, amatera yogukimuika, amatera ala kukini bukimuika erinde ekero ekonyomo eri kubuga era konyoenga kwibekire tayari because you listen to the songs and you did exactly, you had faith to the songs. So listen to the message, don't listen to the messenger. Don't listen to the people nga kibako taigure messenger. So nkenabatigire message. I don't want to talk more. I don't want to take sides. I don't want to charge. You are the judges. Amangana na rayo akorekanete na and finally Farikei amerespond. Ameweza kusema ya kwamba eretabu hatibube bonde bwensi na Riziki kwa sababu number 1 Riziki ako chini yake. Number 2 yeye hayuko Kenya kupigana na wasanii wadogo kama nimemnukuu vizuri iko na baelezile the raw information bunire na nde na baile attaching evidence unakwanete iko nyerigerie story yons onyiringori nande kobua mono nimbaretere amang'ana mao, lakini asemono story tigerere gaiga mbarete story chinde igo kenda nsaria ondikere gose okune asa ubarigire nga subscribe erinde onyare ko subscribe na uturn on the notification bell erinde bunangobeke video engeniga onyare koba kokonye nyora eye Ngusi TV nande twachire bemono ase e support nandi ntokubwaterie story chingao erinde toko tunyare koba togokoretera buya mono sana oyoiga nesi bon.